Guess it's getting active now. I could have done my video earlier when it was really nice and quiet, but I'm sitting in the Jeep here and I thought I'd throw on the camera and give it a whirl. They're doing construction over there and somebody had a dog or something because you could hear it, but whatever. It's still pretty empty here. Most people are down at the Calgary Stampede. I don't go to that, and I'm glad I don't go to that. But crowded, full of people, overcrowded, over expensive, whatever. People come from all over the world though to go to that Calgary Stampede, which is quite an event every year. They only canceled one year, and that was the year of CV19er. First year, I think. But anyway, it's like boxed in. People are just sardined in down at that Stampede grounds. I couldn't handle that. Not at all. I can barely handle the city itself. Driving in traffic. But I've been able to get out with my wife's Jeep and do a little bit extra earning this week because she's on holidays and she didn't really have the money to go anywhere. And we didn't. We were going to go away, and then it just didn't work out. But I've got my practicum. A practicum is on the job training, basically. I got to do 160 unpaid hours for training, basically, to get the diploma and finish this course. Going on 2 years now since I started it, and I passed it so far. All the online stuff I passed, which is great. Just getting this on the job training is the end of it, and that starts in September, which gives me a window here to get prepared for it, which is nice. I don't know exactly. I think it's at the school, unless I can find my own place to do these hours. I'm doing some research because I kind of would like to do it somewhere other than the school itself, but we'll see. Because then you're able to get hired on maybe at another location. Unlike if I do it at the school, then I won't get hired by the school. I'll just finish my course and get the diploma and then still have to look for work. So, but this couple of month window is going to be great. It gives me time to actually look and see, do a bit of research. But yeah, it's a gorgeous day, and the weather's been just smoking good lately. It's just been hot, and it's going to stay that way. Finally, we're into summer months, and we can't really complain, and we shouldn't complain, because we had a long winter and hardly anything for spring, and it jumps right into summer here in Alberta. Yeah, makes sense. Last year was totally different than this year. Anyway, I still got that chest thing going on, so you have to excuse my voice on that one. Hopefully that clears up real soon. But just a chat today, not much going on. God's grace is being illuminated for what he does with each one of us, and it's God's grace that keeps us going. Soon we will be home, and that's all I know. Moment to moment, every single day, that's all I think about, is our bodies being changed, because these bodies are just breaking down, and it's just rough. I just really didn't notice it mostly until after the age of 50. I think between 50, 52, I think it was, and then it's just started getting worse and worse. This body of humiliation just breaking down. But all of us have our own issues when it comes to individually in the body of Christ and where we've been placed and what our calling is. I thank God for that, because we're all so unique and we're all so beautiful in the way God has made us and the way God places us and gives us a realization, gives us growth, and provides for us every moment of every day, our very breath. I'm thankful for all of you and all your support and all your love. You know, I haven't got a very big channel and I get very little views and things like that, but I'm, you know, and I think, well, this is God's operation, so it doesn't bother me. It does sometimes. I'm thinking, okay, well, maybe I'm distancing myself, or it's like God is keeping me distant, and hardly anybody talks to me. But that's just the flesh and the soul. That's all that is. You know, the lies of the adversary. Oh, nobody likes you. Everybody can't. Nobody comments. Nobody watches your videos. Shit like that in my brain sometimes, and I'm just like, what the fuck? It's like a broken record. It really is. You know, God is the operator, and He's giving out the message no matter what. And if it's getting out there, it's getting out there. I don't know. At the Deus of Christ, I guess we'll all see individually what God has done through us, and each one of us has a part. No matter what, the lowest member of the body of Christ is going to be exalted to the highest place in the universe. So think of it that way. If you think that nobody loves you or this world hates you and things like that, well, it's the truth, because it does. The world hates us. We don't belong here. This is not our home. Our home is way more glorious and way more, just no words to describe, ineffable. I love you all. Grace and peace.